How to change your location on Snapchat map the easy way. So first off, we want to open up the Play Store, and then here we search for fake GPS. The first option should be the one with the little emoji. So we want to select that, and then we just install it. Now, in order to do this and to use it, we want to enable the developer options. If we click open right here, it's going to give us an idea of how to do it. Now, this process is different for different phones. You want to go to the settings right here, then you select about phone, and then you click 7 times on your MIUI version. You are now a developer. Okay, so after you have entered the developer options, here in your settings you want to search for mock. As you can see, this option, select mock location app. I was going to take you to developer options. You want to scroll down a little bit until you find it. Select mock location app. Here we can do fake GPS, the one we just installed. And if you've done it correctly, it should say mock location app fake GPS. Now, what we need to do is simply exit out of this. We want to open the fake GPS app itself. And here is where we visit the world. Let's say we want to go to somewhere in the United States. Let's do Oklahoma. You press on the play button, and now you have officially entered the United States. So if we go to Snapchat, just to show you that it actually works, if we press on the map, loading map, as you can see, we are somewhere near the chicken shack, whatever that might be. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.